What is going up, everybody? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. So we're going to be talking about how to get started in the investing field and kind of how to get going. I'm only 19 years old, but I have put up a ton of money into the market in mutual funds, stocks, and other different types of things. And I have been doing this for about 2 years. I did it when I was 17, but when I was 17 and 16, that was all paper trading and paper investing, which means simulation trading and simulation investing. Like we had in school in econ or civics, one of those two classes must have been econ. We had a simulation trading, and I didn't know really what I was doing. So I wanted to learn more about it, and then I became familiar with trading, and it just kind of led me into investing. So, what you guys have to do first, and this is very important, is to start early. I am still early. I'm 19, so if you guys feel like you're 20 years old or you're 21, if you feel like you're late to the party, well, you're not. You're perfect. But the earlier you can get going and start putting money aside, the best you guys will be, and the more money you will have when you're older. My goal is to be a millionaire by the time I am about 26 to 30 years old. That is my goal. I plan on making 100K when I am about 21, 23, and then branch up and expand. But not enough about me. So what you guys have to start doing is just putting money away, because this money you want to compound and grow, and by the time you retire you can have a significant amount of money. And there's many different types of investing. There's more than the stock market. There's real estate investing. There's all types of stuff. uh, I plan on buying real estate within the next 3 years, and have people rent it out to me. So it's just 100% up to you and the type of person you are, and you should make a strategy that works for you. If you work better, with the stock market, you should put more money into stocks or bonds or mutual funds or indexes or something that can start growing your account and your portfolio. Because I am putting, almost 20%, 30% of my money that I bring in from trading, I'm putting that into the market for the future. And, most of these are going to be, I'm going to start selling them by the time I'm like 26, when I start looking for a house. Uh, but there's a lot of them that are for my retirement. And that's what majority of my mutual funds are for. Mutual funds are, awesome. I think everybody should have mutual funds or put their money into the S&P. If you guys can't pick out those stocks or those bonds, I think you should be putting your money into the market somewhere. And yeah, so that's where I would get going. There's if you guys want to start putting money in, stocks, I'll put a link below, and you guys can get a free stock. Same thing with Acorns. And what I do is I automatically have it taken out from my trading account once a month. It's about $45. I put that right to a mutual fund, and then I pick out a couple stocks that I see growth in over the next 30 years or the next 15 years. So there's a lot of electric car companies like Tesla, or just other types of companies like First Solar, companies that I see within the next couple of years will start getting more recognized. And so this is kind of the type of person. If you are the type of person that likes to handpick your stocks, then I would do that. But if you're the kind of person that likes to store up cash and you're looking for a down payment on real estate, that's fine, because you're going to get passive income from your tenants, and then you're going to get the increase of value when real estate goes up or down. Kind of just very similar to the stock market, but different, obviously. So, that's what I would get going. That's how I would start going again if I could start over. If I would have known all this, I most likely would have started at 16 years old. So by the time I am 22, I would have some money, uh, for myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to start investing. Uh, Please sure to like, subscribe if you're new. If you guys want more trading videos, I put about 3 videos up a day. Right now I'm jamming them out. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year. You always got to have good goals for yourself, and I think that'll push me. I'm about 83 right now, so I have some work to do, and I'm ready for it. I love the challenge. So thank you guys for watching. Please sure to like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Peace out. Take care. I hope everybody has a fantastic day.